Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the new Android app bundles, or the AAB files, and how you upload them to the store. I'm going to first create a new app. So any existing apps, it's a different process, and I'll make another video for that. But right now we're going to look at submitting a brand new app that's never been in the store before. So you come into your Google developer account, you click the create app link up here, you give your app a name. I've got an app that I'm going to submit. Pick your language, English, we'll stick with this. Is it an app? Yes, it is. It's free. Confirm it meets all the requirements that it's supposed to. Then at the bottom right here, you click the Create App link button there, and let Google do its thing. And then you will come over here. You'll be in your app dashboard for the new app that you're submitting. Go to Production and create a new release. Now you see this here. Do not fiddle with this at all. If you click this, you have the ability to upload different keys. This will be required in submissions for existing apps that have APKs. I believe you'll be able to submit APKs up until November, if I'm not mistaken, but it's probably wise not to even bother, just to go right into the AABs as soon as you can. Anyways, leave this alone. Again, I've stressed, do not touch this at all. Okay, you can upload your AAB file right from here. I've already got it. I'm uploading it now. It takes a few minute or so. I will pause it. Okay, so just pause it for a second. Now the bundle has been uploaded, and that's essentially it. Everything else you should be aware of. I'm not going to go through the whole thing where I have to upload the screenshots and things like that. I'm going to just put a couple things here so you can. Okay, so in this screen, that's all you need to do. Hit the save button here, and now you can go about the rest of your submission process. You're going to need the screenshots, the icons. You'll have to answer the questions. Let me see if I can go through the content. So we're in the production mode. We've uploaded the bundle. We need to come to the content over here, and you'll need to add a privacy policy. I'll start that. Paste that in there. I will hit save. Now the privacy policy is there, but nothing happened. It looks like it did save, but you have to go backwards. It's not very intuitive at this point. You have to go backward and complete all of this stuff in the app content. My app does not contain ads. All of these things you have to answer. It was a little bit better before because it would take you through all these things in one shot, but now it's I keep going back to the previous screen. Access. If your app has special functionality that restricts some of its features, then you have to include instructions here, which most of us do because we have registration. So either they'll have to register, or you create a dummy account for the Google people so they can log into the app, and then they can go through all the features. So I'll put login instructions, the username. So make sure you create this account in your system before you submit this app, obviously. You can create a demo account. Okay, so we've added that. Save. And again, you gotta go back to the content. Content ratings, all this stuff needs to be done. Otherwise, you will not be able to submit your app. Category, it's not news. This app is utility kind of product communication. Other type of app. No violent materials, no sexuality, no offensive language, no controlled substances. Nope. There. Does the app natively allow users to exchange content? Voice, text, or sharing images? No. Does the app share users' current physical location? No, it does not. No digital goods, no swastikas. It's not a browser. You hit save. And again, okay, so you can see there's a next button here. So I guess you can just follow the next. Down here, hit submit. That will now submit your content rating. So you'll have to go back again and keep going down this list. Target audience. I'll say it's we go. Could not unintentionally appeal to children. Save. Let's save. Continue. It's let us know whether your app is a news app. You must let us know if your app, whether your app is a news app. This helps us to ensure transparency. No, I don't think it's not a news app. Save. Go back. COVID. You must let us know whether your app is having to do with COVID. My app is not publicly available. COVID-19 tracing or status app. It's not. So we save that. Go back. Okay, so now I believe everything is completed, and then you're going to need to go into your store presence, your main store listing. You're going to have to upload your short description, your long description, your icon, your feature graphics, your phone screenshots. All of that kind of stuff has to be done. Once that's done, you should be able to go back into your production release and review the release. So if you go to production, you can hit edit the release. You'll need to click review the release, and when it's ready, we'll tell you, it's going to show errors and warnings now. Your app cannot be published. It hasn't finished, so you have to go to the dashboard. Your description is not done. Countries and regions have been selected. So all those other things which you have done already previously need to be still done, right? I got to go select my countries. Let's go to the release. So you go to your countries here, add countries. I always select all countries. Doesn't hurt. So that's done, and then I need to get my screenshots and my other stuff, and that should be it. But the main focus of this video is to show you how to upload the AAB files and what happens at the beginning. Make sure you don't opt into any of that Google stuff, and that's it. So I will be making another video on how to do it for an already existing app. This is for brand new apps. As always, if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. Thanks.